Hi everyone. Today we will cover how we can clone the project from GitHub to our local. So in earlier session we have learned like how we can create an account in GitHub and create a repository there. And next video we have discussed like how we can push our code from local to GitHub account. So today we will learn how we can clone our project into local. This is the very important step. So whenever you join new company and move to the new project, so as a developer or as a tester, first of all you have to do this activity to clone the project into a local and try to run it and work on it. So this is very important steps. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, I'm opening my GitHub account. So basically they will give you a URL, repository URL. So for example, this is our like repository, and they give you that URL. So and say like clone our project and start working on it. So let's copy that repository URL and go back to your desktop or wherever location which you want to store or clone your project. So I'm cloning my project in my desktop. So I'm opening my one second. So I'm opening my terminal here. So first of all I need to move to that location where I need to clone that project. So currently I'm the main directory. I need to move into the desktop. So I'm just giving ls command and see where am I. So I need to move to desktop. So I'm just giving a cd desktop. So I'm moving into the desktop. So from here, let me expand it. So from here I need to clone my project. So to clone the project, we have the git command like git clone and branch name, which branch we have to clone. So we have main branch only in our repository. So I'm just giving branch name as main and then URL of the repository and hit enter. So it's starting cloning our project. So our code is cloned successfully into the desktop. So let's see. So if you see the my test repo is downloaded here, and we have test.java file. Similarly we have here also, right? We have main branch, my test repo and one test.java file. So we clone the project successfully, and after that, so the another scenario we have like once we have our code ready in our local, we clone the project into our local, and we start working on it, right? So so we have to work in another some functionality, and we have to add work on the, as a tester we have to work on the test cases. So once we're done with the test case in local, so we are running it and we see all the test cases passing, and then we do the merge request to our main code. So in organization, so we not put our code directly into the main branch, we have to follow the certain process. So once we're done with our code in local, then we have to push the code in our temporary branch, you can say. And from temporary branch you have to make a PR request to the main branch, and that code request will reviewed by your team lead or your superior, and he get satisfied, then it move to the main branch. Otherwise he get reject and put their comment like you have to work on like this functionality is not implement the right way, or you not follow the right like coding best coding practice for the particular scenario or like function. So it get rejected or like it get approved depend on her review. So that is a process we are following into the industry. So our code is ready. So let's suppose you get one task. So I'm creating like task.java file here, and similarly I'm pasting same code I'm printing here. So this is our task class and I'm printing this is my task. So this is my task. Okay, so let's suppose I done with the task. I create one class here as a part of task and we are done with the task. So how we can merge this task into our main branch? What is the process we are following? So first of all we done with the task, and then we will see here like, so these are change this new file is added in our local only, right? So currently in your local folder only. So in git architecture, so first of all once you do the new changes, so those files are untracked. So first of all you have to save those files in staging environment, staging, and after that commit those files into your local repository, and from local repository they get pushed into the your target branch, whether it's main branch or your temporary branch. So it's more to that branch. So so let's see. So to check like the status of the current code, so we have like git status, so it will tell you the current situation. So here it's saying like the task.java file is untracked means it's in your project only, it's not saving into the staging environment or staging, it's not saving. So make this file to untracked to tracked. He suggested one command like git add and file name. So if I give here like git add and then file name, so now it got saved into the staging. So if I make the command git status, so now it's become a green. So task job green and it's showing in green, so which means it's stored in stage. So sometime like you have like once you save into the stage environment, you think like I need to modify some code. So how you can make this, or like you wrongly push the particular file into the stage environment, how you can restore it back. So for that the git it's showing suggesting the one command like git restore hyphen stage and then file name. So similarly you can do that command. So git restore hyphen staged and then your file name. So my file name is task.java. So I've put this command and again I'm to do the git status and see again the same file which is stored in stage in stage, it's now becomes untracked. So that's how you can restore it back if unfortunately you have moved into the stage. So currently I'm go with the task.java, but you can add all the files by git dot. So if I again see, so the file is added here, right? So now you have to commit this file into your local repository. So how we can do it? Git commit -m for message, so then you give the meaningful message which highlight your changes. So like task is or task file is added and then press enter. So you see one file change and 8 instances my number of lines, so we have 8, so it is added, and give the file name task.java is added. And after that you have to create your like temporary branch and move that code, the new code, into your temporary branch, and after that you have to do the PR request or merge request to your main branch. So let's do it. So let me create a one branch. So to creating branch we have command git branch and branch name. So I'm giving here like Vimal hyphen test project and now my branch is created. And after that I need to move this branch, because I so to make this target branch, so I need to move this branch. So how we can move this branch? Git checkout, git checkout, and Vimel and hyphen task project. So now I move to this branch. So if you see message, switch to this branch. And after that, once we switch this branch and we push our code here, so get push origin, and then give the branch name Vimal test project. And after that we give enter, and see our code is moved to the Vimal test project. And if we move to here, if you see here, one second, let me reload it. So one branch is created here, Vimal test project. And also here, like saying like Vimal test project had recent push less than 1 minute ago. And after that you give the and here you see the message compare and pull request. If you click here, and it's saying and is creating a merge request, able to merge. So you can create a merge request here. So like task file added, and you can put your command to your manager: hi team, please review review the review the task file and merge it to the main branch. Okay. and and once you done, and then create a PR request. So the PR request get created, and the owner get reviewed this, and once it reviewed, and they can merge it and confirm the merge. So here you can confirm the merge, or you can see the file changes. So you can do the file changes here, so you can review it here basically. So file in the file changed, you can review here, and you can put your command, or if you want to review code base and review it, so you can review it and you can write your comment here. So you can do that way. And after that, here click on here, like issues, actions, so pull request. So here you can merge the code, and you can please message approved and commit it. And you can delete the temporary branch when it's merged successfully. So your branch get deleted. And once it's done, and then you can move to your code repository, and your code get created. So you so you so like that you can merge your code into main branch. So your temporary branch get deleted once your merge is done. So that's how the practice currently industry following it. So whether you belong to test team or like dev team, so that's how we can push the code into your main branch. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching it.